How to log in Kijiji account. So if you want to log into your Kijiji account, then first of all you need to open up your browser, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Kijiji, and then go for the first search, which is www.kijiji.com, and it will take you to the website. So now what you can do is go for the upper right, which has that sign in option. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create, then you can go for register. But to log in, simply click on the sign in, and now here on the first blank you need to enter your email address, and on the next blank you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it, and then you can simply click on sign in. Now you have successfully signed into Kijiji. So that's it. That's how you sign into your Kijiji account, or that's how you log into your Kijiji account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.